YouTube, what's going on? So in today's video, I'd like to talk about the trades I took between yesterday and today. I did experience my first loss was absolutely my fault. Um, I hate losing. I really do. Um, the loss I took was $46. It was $46 loss, but I did make a positive day at the end of the day, but it was my first loss. But the reason why I lost, it really pissed me off, is because I was following a different chart I had up, and I was looking at that and I'm making emotional decision instead of sticking with what I knew. So with HUT, I bought right here. I bought my puts here, came down to here. I didn't sell because I wanted to swing trade it because I did believe it was going to go down much more. Swing traded, came up, popped up, still didn't sell, came down to right here. I also had a second opportunity to sell right here, but I was like, I wanted more. Greed took over. Then it went against me, and then literally right here, I sold my contract. I thought I was selling it at a break even, to be fair, because I would have never sold it at a loss. I bought it for my grand total was at 61. $61, but I sold it for 62, and I had a small loss. I guess IV and such affected me. So when I sold it, as you can clearly see, when exactly what I knew it was gonna do. But it is what it is. I did lose this one. 40 it was $46 right here. But then my baby came through. This right here. This right here. Shopify came through for me. So once it goes over my line, I was really happy for this trade. This trade was beautiful because it was way overbought on the 4 hour and it was overbought on the 1 day. That was that was beautiful. I saw that and I got excited. I went in heavy on this play because I knew we were gonna reverse. It was beautiful. So I took this trade. It went against me a little bit, nothing too crazy, and then as usual, waterfall. Contract didn't move as well as I wanted them to though. I guess it is what it is, but it was falling, but the contract wasn't moving much. So I still made profit on it, and then yeah, I will show proof after this. So for next week, I am watching QQQ. QQQ is really close to my. Well, actually, it's not really that close, but it can move fast. It's close to my 4 hour top, so I'm hoping for like a $10 move or something crazy in the next couple of days. But I have to wait and see. But QQQ is on my list. Hopefully, it can push next week. If we have a green week next week, I will definitely be looking to buy some puts because we have a long way down. We have a very long way down. And this is also the 1 day top as well. So it won't take much to push up further. So hopefully next week we have a nice little green week. At least Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday, hopefully. And then I'll definitely look into buy some puts. And also my next on my list is actually Microsoft. I've been waiting for this one for a few days now. As you can see, it came close to it right here yesterday. Actually no, it did. It did actually hit the top, but it hit the top when I wasn't paying attention to it, so I missed it, and then it came up again, and then as you can see, it sold off. Now I'm waiting for it to actually push up some more, and then I'm gonna buy some puts on this one. So I'll go over my trades. As you can see, my profit for the day was 134, which absolutely, to me, that's horrible because I could have actually won right here. I could have at least 115, maybe if not 184, which was the peak. I could have at least get 115 right here and then took this trade and then I'll 100% win this one. But it is what it is. So it was here, went up, went against me. I was negative $46. I took my next trade, had my drawdown, but I was perfectly fine with this drawdown because I wanted to buy more and more contract with this play. Um, I'll go over the proof. Go here. Okay, so for the history, my history trade. It was right here. The other thing I did wrong with HUD was I didn't add to my trade. I usually, when it goes against me, I usually add to it, but I didn't add to it, and that was my biggest disappointment. Was I didn't add to my trade. Now I can see why I lost. I sold it for six. I actually bought a contract for 61. I sold it for 62. I thought it was 61. That was my fault. Now I wonder why I lost. Um, so this right here, I lost this one right here, and then I saw a shop. I did went in really a lot, really heavy because it was perfect trade for me. When I saw it, I was like, I'll pay premium for it because I wanted to get in right away. Then I bought more, another 15 contract at 49. Then I bought three at 47, and then I bought two contract at 45, and then finally I added three contract at 44. I forgot what my average was. I think it was 49 or something like that. I think my average was 49, I believe. And I sold it all for 53, which was the total, which was right here. Total of $131. Um, and over here, in case you guys ever wonder what this is, these are my, I put these on my list. So I expect them to go actually down more. Like I actually expect to lose more value in the contract so I can buy the contract cheap. I look for open interest. I like a lot of open interest, and a decent volume is okay, but the interest is why I save these. So when it's time to buy the contracts, I'm ready. For example, I'll go with right here, ARM. For ARM, I actually wanted to get into ARM, but I missed my entry again. I missed. It was so beautiful. I would have made way more money on this one, but it is what it is. I missed my entry. TLT, I did have TLT on my list. It didn't do what I wanted to do yet, so I have to wait. But definitely, I got TLT on my list to buy puts, but it's a little tricky right now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and happy trading. Have a good one. Peace.